really is the only nice place.
Howdy, folks. Y'all having a good time?
Of course they're having a good time.
See, this is a Wonderland place.
No, Tony. This is a Wonderland pier.
And a Wonderland placer too.
That's right. Right on. And folks, here's a song about another place that's a different kind of Wonderland.
Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, growing like a breeze. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country roads.
Check out that feeling. I see your toes moving in your shoes. Come on now, don't start singing with us
Yeah, I don't know about that.
Here we go.
All my memories gather round her. Miner's lady, stranger to blue water. Dark and dusty, painted on the sky. Misty taste of moonshine, teardrops in my eyes. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country roads. I hear a voice in the morning as she calls me. Radio reminds me of our home far away. Driving down the road, I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country road, just take me home down country road.
Good going there, Rocky.
Gee, thanks, Bubba. But every time I sing that song, I sure do get homesick.
There's no place like a home. A river that you roam on.
Don't miss going up on that giant wheel. What a view!
Ciao, we'll be a seeing you.